if a equals to 4 to the power a plus 1 divide 2 to the power a plus 1 times a minus 1 divide 2 to the power a plus 1 divide 2 to the power a times a minus 1 and b equals to log base root 3 9. We have to prove a equals to b. It's a very important question and interesting question. Let's get started. We try to solve this math step by step. First, given a equals to 4 to the power a plus 1 and 2 to the power a plus 1 times a minus 1 divide 2 to the power a plus 1 and 2 to the power a times a minus 1. First we can write this 4, we can write 2 square, and here is a plus 1. 2 to the power, here is a plus 1 and times a minus 1. This one we can write a square minus 1 divide 2 to the power a plus 1 will be unchanged, and here 2 to the power a times a minus 1, it means a square minus a. Right? Now here 2 to the power we can write 2a plus 2. Okay, and here 2 to the power a square minus 1 divide here 2 to the power a plus 1 and 2 to the power a square minus a. Now it's a very simple thing. We know once a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n. It means once division, if base are same, that time power will be subtract. So we can write 2 to the power 2a plus 2 minus a square and plus 1. Same, divide 2 to the power a plus 1 minus a square plus a. Okay, then again here is a division sign and base are same, so we can subtract again. It means 2 to the power 2a minus a square, here is plus 1 and here is plus 2 and plus 1, we can write plus 3. Then minus, here is a plus a and plus a, it will be 2a, and once we subtract it means minus 2a, plus 1 become minus 1 and minus a square become plus a square. So finally look, this plus 2a and minus 2a out, minus a square plus a square out, and here is plus 3 and minus 1, it will be 2. It means 2 square. So we can write this one is 4. So a become 4. We have to prove b also 4. So we can write b equals to log root 3 base, here is 9. How can we make this one 4? Look, log base root 3 against this 9. 9 equals to 3 times 3. 3 means root 3 times root 3, again times root 3 times root 3. So how many root 3 in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So against this 9 we can write root 3 to the power 4, right? So same thing against this 9, here we will be write root 3 to the power 4. We also know a rule of logarithm, which is log base a b power c. This c become front, so log base a b. Same thing, this 4 become here, and here is log base root 3 and root 3. We also know another rule, log base a become 1. So this whole thing become 1. How? 4 times 1, it will be 4. So a, we already got the result, which is 4, and b, now we get the result 4. So we can say a equals to b. Very simple. Okay, so it's a very important. This kinds of math is ideal for IGCSE, SET, SSC, and lots of examination. Please keep practice at home. Don't neglect these kinds of math. I hope you will subscribe my channel MathJip and share with your friend and family. Thank you.